Eddystone M1917 infield, serial number 396XXX. When the British entered World War I, they couldn't make their 303 infields fast enough, so they had a Remington subsidiary named Eddystone in Winchester tooled up and made a bunch of rifles for them, and they were called the P-17, I believe. When America entered the war, they already had the factory, so they changed them over to the 30-06 and made a bunch of them, 1.2 million roughly. They called it the M1917. Really nice rifle, got color case hardening. I don't know if I can get it all over, really nice. Remington made about 500,000, Winchester 500,000, and Eddystone made 1.2 million. After the war, Remington made about 30,000 quarter boats. I believe this was made in 1918. I'll show you how to take it apart. Open the bolt, put the safety on, close it, close this right here, put your pin in there, this, take the safety off and shoot the pin. Then you open the bolt, and you release. And this side right here, this you have to do it. Since you have that pin in there, it allows you to just pull this right off. And you can take this off too, but I'm not going to do that in this video. Then, go ahead and take the penny out. You want to I'm going to get a paper towel to make sure I don't let go of it. You're going to pull down on this black piece right here. And then turn this. And this will come off. And then it'll all come off. And that's how you tear it down. Alright, put it back together. You want to make sure that your extractor, these are right across from each other, right here. Then you screw this in here. Basically, I'll put this back together and put the penny back in. If you look at how these are right here, you want this piece to sit down to be right in the center line, right here. If you screw it all the way in, it goes too far. You gotta back it off and put it in the center line. Once you release, put the bolt back in, push it in, press your magazine plate down, turn the safety on, and I close this, make sure I keep this point perfectly down right here. It's going to release the pin. Like that. When you turn the safety off, you got the bolt back in. I've already taken some of the screws loose to make it a faster. Press this little pin right here to get the magazine plate and spring out. Get that screw out.
basically a barrel, silver barrel, and a trigger assembly. We just clean it all up.